guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all. Welcome to Hartung Family Farms. Today, it's kind of tough to see, but Nathan is driving down the road. I just got to the farm about 30 seconds ago, and I met Pat going up to the field in the folding 12-row 7088 combine. So, I'm gonna go check on this semi, see if she'll start. If not, I gotta get a battery charger near it. We're gonna go combining. Come along. No bueno. No bueno, I'm gonna go get a battery charger for her. Alrighty guys, just got to the 400. Now I gotta head up to the butchers because they already started. So let's go. Got safety first. Alrighty, so we're going real close to the farm, about a mile, half mile south, half mile north. The farm's right there. And there's Pat, kind of right over the horizon. Pat goes around to the left. Nathan goes around to the right. So basically the west, Pat goes west, Nathan goes east. I'm in the big cart, so I follow Pat. And then Nathan's in the Curtis in the small cart, so he follows Nathan. So it makes sense and it works. So I'm hurrying my bike because it looks like he's full already. There you go. There goes Kurt in the 8050. And here's my beast of a truck that I'll be running today. My dad's gonna be taking over grain cart duties when he gets here, because I'm the only one that has a CDL. So I'll be driving truck once we get going. But now, time to go catch Pat.
I'm gonna get into down here, honestly. You just stay there until I get around them trees and see what it looks like.
Yeah, it looks like the wind definitely got it some, but yeah, I don't know how wet it's gonna be, so yeah, so I'll just stay here. There's Pat in the 7088. 12-row Geringhoff. It might get a little sloppy down here. We're definitely on the hillier stuff, we're fine, but on the wet bottom ground, it might get wet, so we'll see what happens. I can already tell it's gonna be wet down there. His tires are already caked with stuff. So we'll see, we might have to only run half carts down there, but hopefully we'll be able to still run at least. Oh yeah, she's wet. Nice and wet. This isn't good, everyone. Pat just told me there's standing water down there. Not good. It looks like he just plugged a row unit too. You can barely tell, but he's right there. He's sitting on top. Yeah, he definitely plugged something. I don't know. We might only be able to take one dump, maybe half a cart down through there. Because if it's standing water, woo, I don't know. It'll be interesting. There's Pat working away. All right, Pat just gave me the green light. We're gonna see if he said try and see if I'd make it. He's kind of over there already. So there's standing water straight ahead of me. So this is gonna be fun. Woo! There's some ruts. Oh yeah, she's a little soft. She's a lot of soft. Slip at 15%. I don't know. This ain't gonna work. Yeah, there's a lot of water running there from that spring. Holy shnikes. Alrighty, sorry about that, guys, but I just about got stuck. I had to put that down. Like, woo! My slip limit's at 40% right there. I got it up to 35, so I was barely moving. That cart was sinking in. So luckily I made it. I think I'm good here, but yeah, there was standing water there. Woo-hoo-hoo. I wish I would have kept it pointing towards the cart, but should have thought about it earlier. But if I would have stopped, I would have been screwed. Woo! Got mud over everything already. Just kind of tucked in a little waterway right now while we're dumping.
Start that. I'm hoping he can get over into that big waterway and then he'll come up by you and go out and dump.
This is going to be fun getting out. This is definitely going to be fun getting out of here because I am going to be fully loaded by the time I have to pick it up. There he goes. I'm just gonna wait right here just to make sure he doesn't run into a spring or anything, because I would get stuck if I hit anything wet, especially that standing water spring stuff I already hit. So I think I found my way out. I'm gonna dump. Pat's gonna dump on me right now. I'm gonna head right up this waterway.
You be okay on that waterway there?
Yeah, I think so. It doesn't look bad. Yeah, I'm gonna go up this waterway right here. I think it'll be good. Just gotta have to punch it and get it up there. So now Pat will dump on me, and then I'll head up and go dump. Alright, here goes nothing, guys. Full cart coming up a waterway. Gonna try and hit it with speed. I don't think it'll be too bad, but we'll see. I think I'll make her. Sorry, Nathan, I got your tractor all dirty.
So I guess as Ronald calls it down here, I guess we're going down into the swamp. Gotta go get Pat here, he's full. Just got done unloading into Richard. Richard and Ron are running trucks. Got Nathan and Pat running the combines, and me and Ronald's dad, Bud, running the grain carts. When you don't have much room down here in this wetland where the spring's running, you just gotta improvise. I switched Ronald. He was running this. Now he's running truck. Now over there's the wet spot where the spring's running. Don't want to sink her in there. But overall, it's been running pretty well. Pretty sure the moisture's right around 21, 22. Yielding's not bad. But just the main part is hopefully we won't sink anything.
Just stole the GoPro from Curtis. I'm running truck right now, so I'm waiting for Kurt to fill me up. So while I'm waiting, I'm gonna go take a look at that mud hole I was in earlier. Let's do it. Whoa. Woohoo! Yeah, this is why I was sinking in, ladies and gentlemen. Jiminy Christmas. Oh yeah. This is why I was almost getting stuck. mean, there's water everywhere down here. That's fun. Guys, you got Ron back with you, driving a semi. What? He's taking a load in from the field.
Jargo's up at 1084 grain car just got sunk again.
And it sounds like our neighbors are getting stuck. Woo! Keep you guys updated. Here's a quick bird's eye view of our cattle yard. Definitely more cows on that side than that side. Well guys, so we're getting some stuff done. We just finished the field that we started earlier. So that's all finished up. So now we moved on to a little 9-acre patch just to the north of there. We're gonna do that and probably call it quits and do chores before the snow hits tonight. Yeah, I said the S word. No bueno. So got the last truck parked here. There's another gravity wagon on the other side of this truck. that'll hold the rest of what we got. So then we'll probably call it good. Check in with you guys when we're done. Well guys, my GoPro's almost dead, so I think I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is probably gonna happen a little more because we got an 8-row head and a 12-row head with a 24-row planter, so it's gonna be a little mismatch. I'll talk about that a little later. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Hartung Family Farms. And of course, as always, ta-ta for now. Woo! Tough getting my head. Ow! I just got hit with something. Anyway, now I'll sign off. Happy harvesting to all you farmers. Make sure you guys stay safe. And have a good one, guys.